On the course, you learn everything you need to know about development, about programming languages through the course material. For each project, you have 3 sessions with our mentors. And our mentors are there to help you with project planning. This is a really important skill in the industry, and they're there to kind of guide you through this while you're making your projects on the course. For each project, you'll have 3 sessions. An introductory session where you'll talk about your plans, your ideas. The mentor will help to kind of scope your project for you, tell you if you're doing too much or you're doing too little, making sure you're getting the right things in there. The next session should be in the middle of your project. So it's kind of while you're running, while you're working on your project. They can help you out with any problems. They can help to kind of review your code, make some suggestions if there's other things you need to learn or other things you need to include. Unsurprisingly, you've had a beginning and a middle session. You also need a session at the end. This session should generally be a few days or a week before you're submitting your project, just to make sure there's any final tweaks that you need to include. Our mentors work with a lot of our students, so they're really aware of any common pitfalls, things to avoid, and the things that make really successful projects. They're also really familiar with our assessment criteria, so they know what you need to include in your project to make sure that you're successfully completing them. When you first start the course, you'll be sent the student profile form. In here, you'll fill in your availability, and based on this, you'll be matched with a mentor. We have around 50 mentors located all around the world, in North America, in Europe, and in Asia. So if you can only meet your mentor late at night or early in the morning, don't worry about that. We can always place you with someone who has a matching time schedule to you. To book a session, once you've been assigned your mentor, you'll be sent a link to their calendar. All you have to do is book a time that works for you. If you watched my video about student care, you'll know I love telling our students that a really important thing to do is to use the supports as much as possible. Booking all your mentor sessions, coming to them well prepared and with a good idea of what you want to do, or a good idea of what's stopping you from doing what you want to do, is the best way to get the best help from your mentors and to submit passing projects.